Hi, it's Janie again, and my sidekick here. What would that look about? Welcome to another Fun Fast Friday with the Pinterest PI. So remember, the P stands for possible, the I stands for impossible. But on Fridays, we always do something fun that's fast and that's definitely possible because it's Friday. Yay! So, let's see. In light of Toys R Us closing, how sad, because they're bankrupt now, right? So they're closing in a few weeks. I decided we have to make our own toys. So let's see what we will make today. Who makes more faces, me or him? Alright, so let's see.
Turn over.
Ta-da! This is called a Thaumatrope. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. A Thaumatrope is a toy. It's a spinny toy, a paper spinny toy that has an optical illusion on it. So actually, one side on this example has the heart, and the other side has the arrows. And when you spin it really fast, it looks like the arrows are going through the heart. So that is what we will attempt today. But before we start that, all these faces. Before we start that, we should tell our riddle. So the riddle of today is, what runs around your yard but doesn't move? Right? What runs around your yard but doesn't move? I don't know either. Alright, so to make this project, what I'm starting with is I have a 2-inch circle punch. Oh, do you get 2-inch circle punch? Didn't realize this side has like a mirror effect, and you see my messy house. Actually, you see my bag of paper towel that's sitting in front of me right now that I did not put away yet. We need some sticks. You can use skewers or some thin sticks, and I am using some takeout chopsticks that we never used. Scissors, thank you. Sheet of paper, some tape. Markers, my favorite. Da-da-da! So first of all, for each paper spinner or Thaumatrope, you need 2 circles. So I'm going to go ahead and punch 2 circles out. Pew, 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 pew. One. Oh, I'm stuck. 2. And I guess I should make one for him too. Stuck. Oh no. My paper gets stuck in there. Ta-da! And 4. Now what you want to draw is one picture on one side of each of these circles. So popular ones that I've seen online are maybe a bird in a bird cage. So when you spin, it looks like the bird is trapped in the bird cage, but oh, that's so sad. You can draw ocean in here and maybe a fish flying out of the water. So when you spin, then you see the fish flying out of the water. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my picture. Hi, Kim. You missed the riddle. The riddle of today is, what runs around your yard but does not move?
I want to use a pencil.
Or what runs around your yard and doesn't go anywhere? And would you like to see what we're making again? Because I don't know if you caught the beginning of it. We are making Thaumatropes. They're paper spinners with an optical illusion.
I'm using a pencil.
He's using pencil. I'm going to use my marker. We already cut out 2 circles each. So I'm going to draw my picture. Let's see. Show you what I'm drawing. without dropping my phone, hopefully. Okay. So on this side, I am going to draw Kim, I need you to draw this picture for me. Doesn't look like I'm a very good drawer. This was her nose. And then on this one,
now I'm going to color it.
oh, I'm horrible. Let me see if it matches up. Oh, they're far away. I was trying to draw like people kissing each other, but they're too far away. Let me draw on the other side. Maybe I should have used a pencil like Justin. All right, maybe we shouldn't do that.
That's what I'm telling you.
You're doing the fish? What should I do then? I'm still going to do this, but I'm going to draw a little cuter face. Let me see. I'm going to dot my center so I know where my center is. So I'm just going to do a circle.
I use light.
This one is the girl because it has a bow. And she has some bangs going on. Alright, so let's see. I'll put this on top so I know where to put the boy's mouth. Don't laugh. That's his mouth. He's closing his eyes. Alright. And then there's going to be bazooka gum. What bazooka gum? You mean the joke in bazooka gum? Is that where you think I got my jokes from? Alright. While he's still drawing his fish.
I'm drawing the ocean.
Oh, ocean with his fish. Here's my pictures. My boy on one side and my girl on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and tape them together like that. So that's 1 and that's 2, right?
This is much more better.
So I'm going to make sure I have my stick in the middle. Here, I love my double-sided tape. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece out. Maybe I'm going to cut 2 just to make sure. I'm going to do it on my ugly side.
2 is
Put the tape
better than 1.
on my ugly side.
The boy.
Cover that up. Alright, I'm going to put my stick in the middle, just like that. Now I'm going to stick my other side. Oh no, I messed up again.
What happened?
Wah, wah, wah.
What?
So I thought I needed to draw the girl. Oh no, maybe not.
Flip it.
The girl's on one side and the boy is on the other side. Oh, I didn't mess up. Alright, because this side is blank and I thought I messed up. Actually, okay. So let's see what happens. You see them kissing? Ooh. Come on the side. Look at that. See, slow motion is just a girl puckering up. It's a boy puckering up. And when you spin it real fast, they're kissing. Ooh.
It's you and Daddy.
Me and Daddy.
No.
See that? So, You can do it on a stick like this, how we did it on this paper spinner. Thank you, Kim. Kim said it's cool. Or, if you look back to our old videos, let me turn you around. If you look back to our old videos, we did a paper spinner before. So you can actually put one picture on one side and another picture on the other side and spin it, and it will give you the same effect. Okay? So, oops, you saw my messy house again. Sorry.
I have a version of it too.
Yes. So Justin wants to show you something he made today.
It's like a flip book.
Using all of my post-it notes.
It's like oh, I can't do it.
You can't do it from that side? It says, what does it say?
The Wave.
The Wave by Justin. So let's see. Look at that! The man is waving! Let's do it again. He got some long arm go.
Let me try.
Then
Are you done with your water and your?
That works.
Yes,
then
it works.
This is what you should not do. This is like, do not draw in like directly in the middle of the page.
Yes. His picture was too close to the binding.
Nothing.
Yeah, because it's all hidden inside. All right, so Justin, why don't you finish your fish and your ocean?
Okay.
So he has an ocean on one side with the ocean floor. You can see all the way down to the bottom. And his fish. So let's stick that on.
Justin, you should
And we're going to stick this on.
be an animator.
So we have his ocean and his fish. You want to do the honors? Look at that. The fish is swimming in water. Woohoo! That is so cute. So go ahead, give it a try. Make your own paper spinner. Since Toys R Us is going out of business, we got to go back to old school days and make our own toys. All right, so do you have an answer to our riddle? What runs around your house or your yard but doesn't move and doesn't go anywhere? No answers? Okay, tell them.
I don't know.
I know. What is it?
A fence.
Yes, a fence. See, it goes around your house. It runs around your house. Get it?
But
All right, so thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.